Hello, hello. Sorry, no sound effects for this video. Just want to get it done, get it out to you guys. So this is proportions. All we want to do is just match up stuff that's in the same spot, put it as a fraction, and set it equal to stuff that's in the same spot as another fraction. We're going to cross multiply, because that's what you do when you are solving. So cross multiplying lets us get rid of the fractions. Divide by 5 to solve. So that's all you're doing here. You're just matching up the stuff that's in the same spot, cross multiplying, dividing. Then if we want to find the angle, well, angles are the same. So we're finding angle G. So G is 180 minus 90 minus 37, which gives us 53. Keep setting stuff up that's in the same spot. 15 over 9 equals x over 6. Cross multiply, 9x equals 90. And then we just solve. And the next one is kind of nice because it sets itself up. So 8 over 20 equals 18 over x. Cross multiply, we get 45. Again, we've got it set up for us. 24 over 14 equals 48 over x. Cross multiply. D over 25 equals 36 over 20. Cross multiply. 15 over 6 equals 25 over x. You guessed it. Cross multiply. The other part of similarity is that letters that are in the same spot are congruent. So EB, ET, TI, BA, AS, IM, IME, IME, ASE, EBA would be ETI, MIT, SAB. All right, the proportion's already set up, so we cross multiply. X equals 56. 8y equals 72. When you cross multiply here, though, be careful. You need to multiply both of those things. Minus 12. Divide by 4. Again, cross multiply to everything. Get your x's together. Get your constants together. Divide by 2. All right. Word problems. Easiest thing to do is just pay attention to the ratio. So we want it to be boys over girls. We know there's 182 girls. We don't know how many boys there are, but we know that there's 306 students. 182 of them are girls, so that means we have 124 boys. It wants us to reduce this, so you can divide each of these by 2. 62 over 91, but if it wants it to be a ratio, you just write it like this. All right, a model train is 18 to 48. We reduce that to 3 over 8, 3 inches to every 8 feet. Now again, if you want it to be a ratio, 3 inches to every 8. And again, we just keep setting stuff up. The ratio of height of the sculpture is 2 to 3. The height is 14. We need another line. Cross multiply. 2x equals 42. Divide by 2. X is 21. The ratio of bagels to donuts is 4 to 7. There are 24 bagels. We don't know how many donuts. Cross multiply. 4x equals 168 divided by 4. X is 42 donuts. And finally, the ratio of width to length, 3 to 8, equals, we don't know, over 16. Cross multiply, 8x equals 48. Sorry. Divide by 8, x is 6. Okay, so that's similarity. Really make sure you know your proportions. Maybe do a word problem or two, know how to set them up at least. And that's it. That's first part of our final review.